Hi, my name is Dr. Scott Grady. I'm an endocrinologist specializing in thyroid conditions working out of Providence St. Vincent's Hospital in Portland, Oregon. I received my training at the Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston. I've since then, and for the last 20 years, had the pleasure of focusing my practice on the management of the various disorders that affect the thyroid gland. I'm excited to offer thyroid radiofrequency ablation, RFA, at our facility. Thyroid RFA is a non-surgical outpatient technique used to manage thyroid nodules. It is an option for the treatment of benign symptomatic thyroid nodules, toxic or overactive thyroid nodules, and occasionally other types of thyroid lesions. The procedure is done percutaneously via a needle stick and destroys the selected thyroid tissues using heat. This allows patients to avoid surgery. If you are interested in the option to use RFA to manage your thyroid nodules, please feel free to contact me at 503-297-3336.